Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Google Earth Zoom video with an easy tutorial. Let's get started. First, download and open Google Earth Pro on your computer. Search for the location you want in the search bar. Once it appears, zoom in to your starting point. Click on the tour button in the toolbar. At the top it looks like a video camera. Then click the red record button to start recording your tour. Now slowly zoom in or out using your mouse scroll wheel or the zoom slider. You can also move the camera around for a smooth cinematic effect. When you are done, click the stop button. Google Earth will automatically save the recorded tour. Click the play button to preview it. To export the video, go to File Save, Save Tour As, and save it as a .kmz file. Then use screen recording software like OBS Studio to record the tour in high quality while playing it. That's it. This is how you can easily make Google Earth Zoom videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.